Just imagine an agent that handles all the processes of your WordPress. For example, creating categories, researching your content, optimizing, write that content in your tone, in your specified format, and publish that on autopilot without you doing anything. And not only that, it will add the internal linkings, external authoritative links, and images using Nano Banana Pro. That's what I have built using Google's new agent development kit plus WordPress REST API, and it runs on autopilot. Hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to my channel. And this is something which I have built with zero coding, done by using Windsurf to write that code for me. Let me give you a walkthrough what I have created. This is the content blog, which is regional specific and it's a health based blog. So we have a different categories that is sorted by AI itself. Let me show you a blog. Okay, so this is the blog which is created just today, a few hours, 3 hours ago. And the headline is also created by the AI, which is also very clickbaity and optimized for SEO. No robotic word has been used. It has been instructed in the prompt itself, and it uses the Nano Banana Pro to create featured images like that, which is great. And also added the text as per prescription. And here is the format which I define it to write. For example, here's the introduction, key takeaways, and different H1 and H2s. And look at this, they also have integrated internal linking just like that, which my agent embed into our content, so you don't have to manually do that. So this is 100% done by the AI. And second is the authoritative links. So if you see, it's the American Heart Association. It actually referred to that specific study from where it get the context. So you have got your EEAT solved just like this. So now if you go to the content, it added the tables, it added all the H2s, H3s, and the list goes on. This is well structured content. If you see here, it also added the alt text here, which is very descriptive, and on every image it uploaded, as you can see here in the media library here. So not only that, it has the memory system that it checks that content it finalizes or a topic it finalizes, is it done before this or not. So you actually go through it, check that, then finalize that, then research on the internet about that specific topic, and then it start building that according to my tone and the format. This is incredible. I know this is overwhelming, right? So how did I crack that? So I use agent development kit and deploy that on web server. I have added one more, which is agent.healthinhindi.com, and there I've installed the Python and connect that to the Windsurf here. And you can see here in the Windsurf, it took me around 3 or 4 hours to build this. And first I get all the context file from the agent development kit. So they have this llm.txt and feed that to my model here. And after that, build all the context engineering. If you don't know about it, join me on promptsclub.com. You will find stuff there that you won't find it anywhere. So this is how I built the SaaS Chrome extension and much more. We are going to build in that in future. So this took me around 2 or 3 hours, and right now it's run a bash script that runs autopilot on given time. So it's doing that on 11:30 a.m. on every day. And here is the log. So this is the first log which completed today. So let me give you an overview here. This is a beautifully written log. Right now he's using 2.5 Pro, which is cheaper than the 3 Pro, and it's also done great job. After I connected to my web server and created all the context file, it needed two things. First is the Gemini API. So if you are going to work with agent development kit, you need a Gemini API. To get that, you need to go to the console.cloud.google.com. There you will get the Gemini API, and Google right now giving you $300 credit if you are a new user. So sign that up. Then you need to provide an API key. Then you copy and paste that API. I prefer you go to the services account. That is better and a secure way to do this. This is how you can do the same. With the one API, you will be able to do Nano Banana Pro and Gemini APIs, Gemini 2.5 model. After that, I provided a WordPress REST API, which is your account password. To generate that, go to your profile, note down your username, which is admin here, and then generate application password. Give it a name, for example, XYZ. Click on add application password. So this is the password. You will be saving that into environment file of your agent, and then it will start doing everything on its own. You just need a bit of prompting, you just need a bit of context engineering file, and you get yourself your agent ready working round the clock. So why I choose this subdomain to host my agent, because I don't want my PC to be on forever to run those agents, because I want to run that on 24/7, so I don't have to check that again and again. So for that, I to host that on my server, so on my subdomain, and there I don't have to do anything. I will be just watching that. If something break or not, I will apply that here. So what's next? After this, I'm going to build a social media agent for my website. So it will create posts, text posts, threads, and also creatives using Nano Banana Pro and Kling AI to create videos on my YouTube. So we are going to do that with the help of Blotato API. So if you don't know about it, Blotato API has this social media API which lets you add 20 social media accounts for this $29 per month, and unlimited sources can be added. So we will be using this to push content on our social media websites. So that's it for this, and I'm excited to make that as well. So this is not the n8n or make.com. This is fully functioning agent that you can build with no coding. Obviously it did code, you don't have to code, you just need to type English commands and voila, you get yourself your agent. So that's it. If you want to learn that, how I build that, go join me on promptflow.com and get the access. Otherwise I give you an overview, you can build it yourself. So this is about creating agents using Google's agent development kit, and I hope you are like this. If you're like this, do let me know in the comment box, and see you in the next video.